Today I'm going to show you how to concatenate strings in SQL Server. Before that, we will define first what is concatenation. Concatenation is a way of joining two or more than two values to become one string. In SQL Server, there are two ways of doing that. First is by using plus operator, and the second is by using Concat function, which is a built-in function of SQL Server. First, I will make an example for the plus operator. In this example, we concatenate the first name and last name, or we combine the first name and last name to become a one string. As you can see, the first name and last name value was combined into one string. So it concatenated successfully. You can achieve this kind of result by using Concat function. So let's make an example. This is the Concat function, which is a built-in function of SQL Server. We're going to concat the first name and last name, same with the concatenation of the first query, but this time we're going to use Concat function. As you can see, the results are the same. So what is the difference between plus operator and Concat function? The plus operator has a limitation. You cannot concatenate null values, and also when you're going to concatenate the number and the string, it gives you an error. So first I will give you an example for the null values, and we will continue to number and strings. So for the null values, let's replace this first name to null as our null values, and let's try to run. In this query, we're expecting to return, we will expect the last name will be returned for this query, but let's see what will be the return of this query. So we're going to run this query first. Yes, instead of returning the last name, it returned null values because, yeah, this is one of the limitations of the plus operator. And also when you try to concatenate the numbers and string, so we'll change this null into a number, and we'll choose 1 as our number. We'll try to run this. let's see what will be the result. Yes, as I said earlier, this is the limit. This is one of the limit. This is the one of limitation of the plus operator, because it cannot handle number and strings. The error says conversion failed when converting the varchar value PAHO to data type int. But this limitation can be handled by Concat function. So we'll make an example for Concat functions for the null values first. We will replace this first name null as our null value, and let's try to run the query. Yes, it returns last name, which is, that's what we expect, the last name, and not null. So Concat can handle null value, and we will try to concatenate the number and string if Concat can handle the number and string concatenations. So again, we will choose 1 as our number, and let's try to run this query again. Yes, it's executed successfully. So therefore, Concat function is better than plus operator when handling null values and numbers. Just to be safe, I will recommend Concat function instead of plus operator when you're going to concatenate strings in SQL Server. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.